pleasure meeting my boy Miguelson. Super humble dude, very hard worker. If you guys haven't already tapped in with him, you guys need to get your credit fixed ASAP. You need to tap in with Miguelson. Thank you guys.
I ain't choose this life, I think it chose me. I was down so bad. And everybody knows me.
And it's a good feeling when the city knows your name.
Couldn't even make it to the nosebleeds. I was known. Couldn't even make it to the nosebleeds.
That I can say is do not over leverage yourself. Work with professionals that have been in the space, that have went out there and done the education and done the legwork for you.
I ain't choose this life, I think it chose me. I was down so bad and it was known. I ain't choose this life, I think it chose me. I was down so bad and it was. I ain't choose this life, I think it chose me.
Are you ready?